You want whiter teeth. We all want a whiter, brighter, healthier smile. Forget do-it-yourself, home, abrasive teeth whitening. It's going to damage your enamel. It's not going to take care of your teeth. What you're looking for is here, My Smile teeth whitening strips. They whiten quickly, safely, with the most effective, without a prescription, teeth whitening on the market today. It's sealed in an envelope, sterile envelope. It's perfect for traveling, taking on the go, and each set is pre-measured, so you're not messing with all the gel that you do with a home kit. It comes in a pack. There are 14 packs, 28 strips, uppers and lowers. It's going to get your teeth whiter and brighter than they have ever been. Use the link below to experience the safest, most effective teeth whitening on the market today.